All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a special one today. We are going to start, take off, and land the Queen. So we're going to see how this goes. All right, I think I got everything lined up here for us. All right, sorry about that, everybody. TJ's getting old. Okay, so let's select the Queen, the one and only, the 980,000 pound takeoff weight, Boeing 747-800. Let's configure it. Let's give her a proper tail number. Identification. Oh, already got it. Delta Sierra 676. Flight number 676. Call sign Phoenix. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So we got that all good to go. We're going to go with the standard Boeing library because I'm not a big fan of any of the others, and I don't think they have Lufthansa. So, all right, we're going to go to KSTL. Good old Lambert International. Set as departure, and then we're gonna just set our arrival just generally. And why are you doing this to me? There we go. Okay, we're probably not going to be able to pull off a standard traffic pattern in a 747. I would imagine that I'm not a pilot of one, but I would imagine that that would be rather difficult. Okay, so Simpri states that we will be taking this flight down to no idea. So let's say Fayetteville, somewhere in that general area. Oh boy. Okay, here's Branson. Here's Fayetteville. Gotta be around here somewhere. Okay, there's Springfield. Okay, so just south of Springfield. So, East Findlay. Okay, so we're going. Fayetteville is southwest. Springfield. Okay, so that's it's going to be Springfield. And, oh wait a minute, where's Springfield? Here it is. Okay, so wait a minute. I'm thinking this is it. Okay, so we're just gonna. We don't need an exact location because we're just going there and back. So, hour and a half. What? Okay, we're not gonna do that. Bit of a longer stream than I'm intending. It's gonna take me a lot longer than that to. Oh boy. Okay, now I did it. Let's see. Custom remove. No. Nope. Nope. Remove it. No. Okay. Well. Now I'm stumped. Okay, let's go back out of this. Free flight. We're gonna see how far. Still there. Okay. Well, we're gonna ignore it. We're gonna follow the route, and we're gonna loop around whenever we feel like it. And then we're gonna head back to Lambert International. We're not gonna hit our checkpoints, but hopefully the AI is okay with it. It talks a lot of shit nowadays. So it's still wanting me to enter a traffic pattern with a 747. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the flight. We're going to see how this goes. We're going to Hail Mary it. Okay. Oh, look at her. It's rather dark. It's I gotta do checks first. Let's see here. Window covers. Okay. Engine covers. How you do that in real life? Literally no idea. We don't have chocks. Right. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So we're gonna do a superhuman leap here. Climb up in the cockpit. Okay, and then we're gonna bring up the checklist because I'm still a rookie. Probably for some time. That takes up a lot of screen. Ooh, what's this? No way. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Sweet. I can put that on. Oh my goodness! I almost hit a button. Put that on the other monitor. Right. So, our checklist. Let's see, aircraft. Okay, this is rather inconvenient. Oh, that'll work. Okay. All right. Anyway, checklist. Exterior inspection. We're gonna bypass that. Okay, power. All right. Battery switched on. I gotta figure out my camera here. Okay. Now, battery switch on. Much better. Actually, you wanna know what? Let's make it daytime. Okay. Weather. Let's set it. We're gonna go here. Wasn't much wind today. There was one gust earlier, which was surprising. Probably gonna hit us shortly after I take off. I think we're gonna be flying at like 2,500, 4,000 feet today, so there'll be plenty of lawsuits to follow. Okay, battery switch is on. Okay, you can hear that running. All right, let's check out our panel here. Send a quick text. All right, back to it. So battery switch is on. Standby power selector. We're gonna go to auto on that guy. Okay, hydraulic demand pumps. Make sure they're off. Hydraulic pump. I don't think that's what we're after here. Is it? Oh wait, it is. Okay, so hydraulic demand pumps. Turn those off. Okay, windshield wipers, they're off. Landing gear is down. External power on if available. External power is available. It is on. Okay. Pre-flight. IRS selectors. Set those in nav. Okay. Set IRS position. Bear with me because I have messed this up many, many times. Let's go. Maybe go here. There's supposed to be. Oh, wait, set IRS position. Here we are. Well, we don't much need it. So, oh, okay. Said I actually, we're not gonna check it out because I literally didn't do it. So, we're skipping the IRS position. We fly blind up in here. All right, bus tie switches. Set those to auto. I already forgot where those are at. Bus tie switches. They are on auto. Our generator control switches to on. Generator control. Here we are. On. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait, okay. On. APU selector. Starter up. For a second. On. APU generator switches on when available. Okay, so we gotta wait. Just a little bit here. Take time. Missed that one. Okay. APU generators are on. I believe that means she's under her own power now. Okay. Hydraulic demand pump selectors off. There's my packs. Ah, okay. Selector off, off. Okay. Engine hydraulic pump switches. Let's turn all that on. Okay. Emergency lights are closed. I think I'm supposed to have those on. Arm them. Let's see what happens. Okay. Guard is closed. Crossfeed fuel switches. Verify that they are on. Open. Open. Okay. Fuel pumps. Make sure they're all off. Off, off. Off, 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 off. Off. Off and off. Anti-ice. Set all these to all of our icing is automatically taken care of now. Okay. Window heat. That is all set to auto, so we should be good there. Okay, windshield wipers, they are off. Yaw damper switches. Already forgot where these are. Yaw damper on and on. Okay. Passenger temp selector. I assume that's auto. They'll be alright. Either way. Okay, flight deck temp selector. Oh, cargo temperature. Sure. Okay. Trim air switches. Here we are. On and on. Okay, circulation switches. On, probably. Alright. Oh, yeah, they are. Okay, so pack switches. Let's turn them on. Isolation valve switch. Oh, she's doing shit. Isolation valve switches. On and on. Lead air is on. Engine bleed air switches, turn them on. Navigation lights. Everybody knows what we're doing here. Logo lights, turn them on. Flight director. What we got here? Flight director is on. Okay. Auto throttle. Arm it. Throttle is armed. Okay. Bank limit. I gotta read the next one before. Okay, our bank limit. Set that to auto. Bank limit. Autopilot disengage bar is up. Landing gears down. Auto brake selector. Get here. There we are. RTO. Parking brake is set. Speed brake is down. Thrust levers. Idle. I have the wrong configuration here. Let's see here. Controls. Oh. Okay. It's concerning. Ah, okay. Those levers are at idle. Flaps are up. Fuel control switches set to cut off. Okay. Seatbelt selector. I'll be alright. TCAS, ATC. Oh wait, here we go. Okay, that is set to standby. Yes, it is. Okay. Before starting engines, we get to the good part. Now we fire them up. Okay. Hydraulic demand pumps. Set to auto. Alright. All fuel pumps on. Okay. Turn the beacon on. Readjust our selector here to XP NDR. Starting engines. Here we go. Alright. Engine 4. Gotta turn pack switches off. Packs are off. Engine 4. Okay, there it is. What is going on with my... Oh, okay. There we are. Engine 4. Set to run. Engine 4 is starting. Look at her go. Okay. 210. Engines. 1, 2, 3. About to get rowdy. Okay. Engine is running. So before we taxi, we gotta turn this APU selector off. Okay, pack switches. Turn them back on. Flaps set for takeoff. We're guessing, so everybody hold on. Alright, and then taxi lights are on. Let's see, what position do anyone care to guess? That's exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, 10 will be alright. Okay. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn all the lights on, just landing. Runway turn light. And strobes. Wings. All of them. Okay. TARA. If you're wondering what that means, I don't know. How do I get to... Here we are. TRRA. Alright. Okay, we have auto throttle. Let's set our... let's go ahead and just set our altitude to crank her all the way down. Let's do 3,500 feet. Our heading will be...
Beyond ATC connected.
Climb, continuous rise. Auto speed mode, okay. Heading 370, let's see. So it's gonna be, if I'm gonna be going, don't I have, oh. Let's recenter that. Our heading is gonna be somewhere along the lines of 270. So we're gonna do this now. Uh-oh. Didn't mean to do that. Nope, didn't mean to do that either. Okay, so 270 to 3,500 feet. Automatic banking limit. Not sure that's going to do us a whole lot of good because I didn't input the weight into the flight management computer, so we're just going to go for it. All right, let's test our throttles. Oh, she sounds beautiful. Okay. This. Let's check on our ATs. What kind of shenanigans are we going to get up to today? That is simply not the flight. Oh. I had to go get gentlemen. Okay.
Beyond ATC connected.
Nope, that's simply not what I wanted.
Beyond ATC connected.
You're gonna do it again. Okay. Come on, don't fail me now. It takes forever to start this thing. Welcome, Diverse Shark. Okay, now we're downloading the flight plan.
Beyond ATC connected.
Loading St. Louis International. Oh boy. Okay. We are good. Okay. That's... What? It's just... not the airport I'm at.
Beyond ATC connected.
Okay. Well... Alright, well... Going without ATC. Oh! Everybody say your prayers. Okay. Rudders are operational. Okay. Yoke also operational, which is good. Our flaps are set for takeoff already. Let's get her did. Let's do what we came here to do. Just take the park brake off. Come on, turn. I know you're big. Outboard engines. Just a bit. Okay. There's the other two. Oh. I'm not on a taxi. I don't think. Okay. I'm just gonna... on over there. Okay. Car. I believe we're supposed to be taking off runway 12 right, so that's where we're going. Okay. Forward. Only 30 minutes in. Very sensitive rudders. No vertical speed. I hope that's what that says because I didn't input the weight and balances. Okay, picking up speed here. Definitely a runway we just crossed. What I should do, I should probably check the reverse thrust. We'll do that here in a second. Stop! Stop! Okay. Anyway. Parking brake. Okay, it is. So, oh, need to do that. Okay. Oh, don't do that. Oh wait, parking brake's set. Okay. That doesn't seem proper. Backwards. Backwards, alright. Parking brake is off. Air traffic control not working, so we're just gonna go for it. Yep. Taking runway 12 right. Bit more on the left engines. We weren't, but we'll gloss over that. Alright, let's give her the berries. Already forgot which button is a spoiler, so here we go. Okay, engine parameters look good. Airspeed indicator is live. We're gonna give it a little bit longer since I didn't put the weight and balances in. Well, okay, I already damaged our landing gear, so we'll be dealing with that when we come back. Already overspeed. I'm not doing so good here. Yeah, we got alarms going off. Alright. Auto throttle is armed. No. Is there a button on here I can push? Light director, we definitely want to leave that on. We're over speed. Flaps up. Probably should have done that already. Dude, we are already too high. Alright. Set our trim manually. Lambert. Passengers, say your final goodbyes. We're climbing again. Not intending to do so. Better hold on. We passed it. Center over the plane here. Actually, let's get on course. We are coming up on 3,000 feet, and we're here. Okay. Moving way too fast. We're at 375 knots. Okay. We have a warning and a caution. We don't need those. Spirit of St. Louis. Hello, everybody. All right. Alright, let's turn around. Let's land it. Flight attendants, please be seated. Okay, we're gonna square it off here. throttle. Almost at 5,000 feet. I do see Lambert. Go for 7. Alright, let's head in. Waited too long. We overshot. Probably by a nautical mile. Alright, could it be? Is that Lambert? I believe it is. Okay, we want runway 12 right. Oh boy. I would turn on the fastest your seatbelt sign, but I don't know where that button is. Okay, so ease off the throttle, flaps down. We're here for a good time, not a long time. Gear down, boys. Oh, shit. Well. What now? Okay. Maybe dead upon arrival. Oh, boy. That's what I need.
500.
Okay, let's try to line her up at that runway. Alright. Full flaps. Okay. Apparently I am far too high. Coming in really fast. Oh boy. This is it, everybody. Sacrifice some altitude now. Ooh, we are in the glide slope. Kinda. Holy Moses, on a rocket-powered pogo stick. We may be crashing momentarily. We're nowhere near our glide slope. Engines are at idle. Can't slow it down anymore.
500.
Ooh, we're on the glide slope.
400. 300.
Shit!
100. Seat rate.
I'm well aware.
100.
Alright.
50. 40.
Now, nice and
30.
easy.
20. 10.
Alright. First thrust. Reverse thrust is not currently operating, but we're down anyway. Alright. Whew! We did it. Okay, pretty sure all of our tires are flat. Heavily damaged landing gear. It's alright, we'll buy new gear. All right. And that's how we do it. Post flight. Clear. Our flaps up. Speed brakes probably down. Okay. Start that back up. Let's turn all of our lights off. Set that back to XPDR. Parking brake is set. On. Power. Not available. Hydraulic demand pumps. Fuel pumps off. Beacon already off. Already off. Flight director. Set that to off. Standby. External power. Let's see. And they're off. Rest selectors. Off. Emergency lights. Off. Pack switches. Turn those off. APU selector. Off. Battery switch. Off. And that does it for tonight. Thank you, everybody that joined. And I will see you in the next one.